Big biceps equals big paychecks. That's what Hulk Hogan told me. I'm Calvin, I'm the lead architect of Locera, our cloud-based RTLS system. RTLS in the cloud is cool because I can sit here in a park in Boise, Idaho and access the data that's being generated by a facility on the East Coast. Let's dive in and I'll show you how it works. So here we are at the dashboard of Locera. This is going to be your hub for everything that happens inside of the application. And it also gives you the ability to pull out a map to show where each of your transponders is. From here, we can navigate to the other features inside of Locera. First thing we're going to take a look at is the Management tab. And inside of the Management tab, we have a couple different things you can work with. First, we'll check out is transponders. This will be the list of all of your transponders that are available inside your system and the ability to edit each of them. From here, we can change the parameters of the transponder, including the name, the group, the type, and even the size and the color that'll show up on the map. Next, we're going to move over to our groupings, which is just a place to manage the groups and the types that can be assigned to each transponder. Lastly, inside of management, we have our areas, which is where you can use geofences to create areas inside your facility. Next, we'll take a look at transponder history, which allows you to view the history of a transponder over a period of time. One other thing to note on this page is that we have the ability to draw a heat map of where that transponder has been. Next, we have our area history, which gives a record of when a transponder has entered and exited an area that we configured earlier. You can also export this data to a CSV or an Excel document so that it can be used by other systems. Next, we'll check out our contact tracing functionality, where we can create a set of rules that can generate violations based off distance, time, and area. Once rules are created, we can look at the violations that have been generated and export those in various formats. And with Locera's role-based authentication system, we can restrict this data to HR personnel to protect employee privacy. And the last feature that I want to look at is sequence tracking. Sequences work in conjunction with the geofences we set up earlier to define a life cycle of a transponder as it moves throughout your facility. Locera also supports RFID, potentially making it a simple integration into your current infrastructure. This area is where you would see and control your RFID setup, including management of locations, actions, and other configurations. So that was a brief overview of Locera, our cloud-native RTLS platform. Hit up locera.io for more information or to schedule a demo and see how easy real-time location intelligence can be.